A very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children in Max of class 6, chapter number 12, percentage. Today we are going to see practice set number 30. Percentage. The term percent means 1 out of 100, means if a particular have the 100 part, get 1 cent per cent. Per means 1, cent means 100 is called percentage. In mathematics, percentage are used to describe part of a whole. The whole being made up of 100 equal part. Part of a whole means some particular thing have the 100 equal part, then we can say it is a percentage. Percentage. Children, the denominator of each of the ratio is 100. Such a ratio is called a percentage. You know the numerator and denominator is the part of a fraction. If denominator have the 100, then particular given fraction is read as a percentage. A percentage is written using the word percent, or we can use a symbol percent, which is given in the red color font. Children, for example, we see or we write percentage like 25% with the symbol and 78% with the symbol, or we can write percent in fraction, for example 14 upon 100, 75 upon 100. Upon 100 means denominator is given 100, it means the particular given fraction is in percentage. Children, where you have seen percent symbol? First, mall. You have went in mall for shopping. You always see that there is a sale up to 50%, 60%, 70%, or they give the discount of 10%, 20%. So here we see the percentage symbol. Another where you see the percentage symbol in mobile battery. You keep your mobile for charging, then in mobile battery you can see the how much percent is charged. 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever the percent. It show with the percentage symbol. And you can see your percentage symbol in your result also. A display with the percentage, how much percentage you score in particular term. So I have give the example 3 here, mall, mobile battery and result. Many more things are there where you see percentage symbol. Now children, here we will see or we will learn how to convert percentage into fraction. 50%. First of all, this number we will write in the fraction. 50 upon 100. Percentage symbol means the denominator is 100. So, here we will do calculation. 0, 0 cut. Now how much is remain? 5 and 10. 5 and 10 come in the table of 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So simplest form of this percentage is how much? 1 upon 2. The second sum is 35%. First of all, we will write in the fraction 35 upon 100. These two numbers come in the table of 5. 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 ja 0. So our simplest form is came what? 7 upon 20, that is our fraction. Children, these two sums you have to write in your max notebook. Now heading you will give convert percentage into fraction. After this, here we will learn how to convert fraction into percentage. To convert a fraction into percentage, one thing always remember, we have to make denominator how much? 100. So we can write into percentage. The first sum is given 4 upon 5. The here denominator is given 5. To make 5 into 100, what we will do? From which number we will multiply? In 5 table, 100 come in how many time? 20 time. If we are giving multiplication 20 in denominator, then we have to give numerator also. So multiply by 20, we give to the numerator also. So 420 is 80, 520 is 100. Now our fraction is what? 80 upon 100. So here denominator came 100 means we can convert into percentage fraction. Percentage. With the symbol, how we will write 80 and we will give the percentage symbol. Second sum is given 3 upon 4. Now your denominator is given how much? 4. To convert this fraction into percentage, what we have to do? We have to multiply 4 by which number? To make it 100, we will multiply 4 by 25. So 25 is given to the denominator. Then we have to give numerator also. 3 into 25 is how much, student? 75. Very good. 4 into 25 is how much? 100. Now 75 upon 100 we will write in symbol 75%. This is the second thing you have to write in the max notebook. Heading you will give convert fraction into percentage. Now we will start our practice set number 30. Question number 1. Shabana scored 736 marks out of 800 in her exams. What was the percentage she scored? Here we don't know the percentage. So what we will take percentage? X. Let Shabana score X% of the marks. X% means X upon 100 equal to how much Shabana score? 736 out of 800. We'll write in the fraction. Now with the variable we have denominator 100. So what we will do? We will multiply both the side by 100. Why multiply we are doing? Because the 100 is given in the division form. So we have to take opposite operation. Now multiplying 100 both the side. So our left side fraction is given x upon 100 multiplied by 100 equal to right side we have the fraction 736 upon 800 multiplied by 100. Now left side 100 cut and the right side 20 cut. So left side is remain what? X and the right side is remain what? 736 upon 8. Now we have to divide 736 by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 8 9 is 72. But we have 73, one more. So we will get to the next number. It became 16. We was taking 8 table. 8 1 ja 8. 8 2 ja 16. So the value of x is came how much? 92. It means Shabana scored 92% of the marks. Now children, question number 2 is given. There are 500 students in the school in the Ihanda village. If 350 of them can swim, what percent of them can swim and what percent cannot? We have to find both the percentage. How many students can swim and how much percentage student cannot swim. So first of all, let x% of the student can swim. So x% means x upon 100 equal to, but it was given 350 can swim in water. It means 350 upon 500. Again it is given in the fraction divide form. So what we will do? Multiplying both the side by 100. So left side is given x upon 100 multiplied by 100. And the right side is given 350 upon 500 multiplied by 100. So left side 100 cut. And the right side 20 cut. So what is left? X equal to 350 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 5 0 ja 0. So the value of x came how much? 70. It means 70% of the student can swim. And student cannot swim means 70% can swim. Means out of 100, 70 can swim. So 100% minus 70% is how much remain? 30%. It means 30% student cannot swim. Now question number 3. If Prakash showed Jawar on 75% of the 19,500 square meter of his land, on how many square meter did he actually plant Jawar? Here percentage already is given, but we have to find what? How much square meter he has planted jawar. Let Prakash sold x square meter of his land. Here x square meter we are taking. We are not taking percentage because already percentage is given. So 75 upon 100, that is a percentage, equal to, we don't know how much is Prakash sold the jawar. So we will take x upon 19,500. So with the variable which number we have, 19,500. So what we will do, multiplying both the side by 19,500. So right side 19,500, both the side cut. Here 2020 will cut. So what is left? X equal to 75 multiplied by 195. Now these two number you will multiply with the pencil to your right side of your page. So you will get the answer 14,625. Prakash sold jawar on 14,625 square meter of his land. I hope you have understood these three sums. Student, question number 4, 5 and 6 is omitted. It means today we have completed our lesson number 12, percentage. I hope you have understood. And thank you for watching this video.